Welcome back, everyone. It is an active afternoon here at News 5. Before we get to your forecast, I want to give you two updates on some things happening in our area. First, I-25 northbound between exits 144 and 145 is experiencing some residual delays following a major accident earlier this afternoon. I would recommend seeking an alternate route if you need to travel on I-25 around the Colorado Springs metro area. We're also tracking a residential fire in the Austin Bluffs area near North Carefree Circle. The road is partially closed. We are working to learn more information about that fire. Now, let's turn to your forecast. It is another nice afternoon, and we are looking at a nice evening at the moment. 59 degrees in the Springs, south-southeasterly winds at 17 miles per hour, and a very dry day, 13% relative humidity, 65 for you down in Pueblo, Eastern Plains, low to middle to upper 60s at this hour, and 50 for you in Woodland Park. We are tracking changes as we move into this evening, though. You'll notice clouds increasing as we go through the next several hours ahead of an incoming storm system. This will result in our temperatures dropping slower tonight than they have over the last couple of nights. You can probably get by this evening with a light sweater or jacket until around 10 p.m. and then after that we'll drop into the 30s, and our temperatures for lows will be about 10 degrees above normal in the lower 30s to upper 20s across the area. So this is the first storm system here that we are tracking. That's what's bringing in the clouds. It'll bring us some showers tomorrow, and then we're tracking a much more potent system that's not yet on the California coast that is going to bring us snow and wind for the start of your week. So as we look at our upper level pattern, here's system number one, some light showers tomorrow, and then we fast forward into Monday. Before that system arrives, we're tracking some strong gusty winds. That will lead to increased fire danger for most of southern Colorado on Monday, a good day to avoid outdoor burning. As that low moves to the east, then we will track snow and wind for much of the day on Tuesday. That's a good day to spend inside. And then the middle of the week will be quiet and cool ahead of a third system that moves in Thursday and Friday. That brings us another chance for snow. So on the fire danger concern, we do have fire weather watches now in place for Monday morning through Monday evening, including Pueblo County and most of the southern tier for that fire threat. We could see wind gusts around 50 miles per hour at times on Monday. Now, as we take a look here at Futurecast, the cloud cover that we were just talking about with that first storm system increases tonight. Tomorrow, we'll track some light showers over the southern tier. We could hear a few rumbles of thunder in places like Springfield, Baca County, Prowers County, maybe a light sprinkle over the Front Range corridor. Just bring the umbrella with you as you step out the door. You don't need to change or cancel your plans tomorrow. It's overall still a fairly nice day. Then we track our second system on Monday. Again, we'll track high fire danger on Monday across southern Colorado, snow up in the mountains. Strong cold front moves through in the evening. That'll bring rain, then a mix, then snow to the Front Range corridor as we move into the evening, and then wind-driven snow on Tuesday morning into Tuesday afternoon. So this is going to be a very high impact system. It is a good day to spend inside, and for that reason, we have a 3 out of 5 storm impact for you on Tuesday because of the wind-driven snow concern. 1 out of 5 storm impacts on Sunday and Monday for the isolated showers that we'll see on those days. Now, as far as the winds are concerned on Tuesday, we are looking at 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts once again. This will lead to very low visibility at times on Tuesday, and then again we'll be quiet on Wednesday before we track that next system coming in on Thursday. Pueblo, you've got a 2 out of 5 storm impact on Tuesday. That's because you're a little bit warmer, you're a little bit lower with this system, so it's going to be a bit more of a mix for you, but you still get the wind. It's still a good day to spend inside, and we're still tracking that third system that comes in on Thursday. Your highs later this week will be into the 50s. Canyon City, 60s for you for the next couple of days, with a stray shower possible tomorrow morning into the early afternoon. Snow on Tuesday, but not a lot of wind for you. Another chance for snow on Thursday. Woodland Park, several chances for snow Monday and Tuesday, and then again on Thursday and Friday.